Hello everybody, my name is Giorgio and I'm Italy Destination Manager at Rome CDOs for JayWay Travel, and today we're going to do a very fun activity because Rome is not just history and art. So today we're going to do a cooking class in the middle of the city center of Rome and in the Jewish quarter, which is called the Ghetto. So today we're going to learn how to make the carciofi alla Giulia, which are Jewish deep fried artichokes, homemade gnocchi, which is the main pasta on Thursdays in Rome, and then we're going to make some very sweet and very nice red wine cookies. I hope you enjoy it and come with me and discover how to cook in Rome. So we finished our wonderful cookie class. It was a very fun activity to do, and now we're going to eat the wonderful things that we prepared, and I really hope to see you soon on your next JayWay travel trip, and I really hope to welcome you to Rome. Have fun!